Alright, car wash time today. Alright, as you can see, I got the basic essentials here. Got some carpet cleaner, Lex leather conditioner, glass cleaner, some trim restore, some more vinyl protectant, and then some El Cheapo tire shine with some carb fiber. Some of those freaking, I forgot what the name of them are now. But anyway, some of those towels. So we're gonna go clean up the truck here. Get it nice and clean for the road trip to Oklahoma. So stay tuned. Alright, as you can see in this video, as I stated before, you just kind of have to detox yourself. Rake out the old rust, the old dust, you know. Make yourself into a new person, a new life. So pickups, cars, and automobiles are just the same way. Let me make sure I don't got a blob on the screen. They are just the same way. You gotta clean them up, fresh them up, make them look good, brand new again. outside, as you can see there, we got her all nice and cleaned up. She's looking pretty spiffy. Got the wheels kind of glossed up. I didn't focus on the outside too much because it's supposed to rain in a few days anyway. Mainly was the inside. Put some protectant on this old vinyl seat here. Try to keep her renewed for many more years. Alright, so there you have it. Hope you like this video. Make sure and give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. By Driven by Gears. Follow me on Instagram. And as always, have a good weekend. And keep it simple. Keep it sweet. Till next time.